Managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up delicious food. Today, I'm sharing 7 tasty, blood sugar-friendly breakfast ideas that are easy to make and packed with nutrition. Let's dive right in.
Number 1. Greek yogurt parfait. Start your day with a high-protein Greek yogurt parfait. Add a handful of berries, a spoon of chia seeds, and some crushed almonds. It keeps you full, supports stable blood sugar, and tastes amazing. Number 2. Veggie omelette. A vegetable-packed omelette is a classic diabetic-friendly breakfast. Use eggs or egg whites, then add spinach, mushrooms, onions, and bell peppers. Low-carb, quick, and full of fiber. Number 3. High-fibre oats with cinnamon. For oat lovers, go for steel-cut or rolled oats. Cook with water or unsweetened almond milk. Add cinnamon for natural blood sugar control and top with walnuts for healthy fats. Number 4. Avocado and egg on whole grain toast. This one's a powerhouse. Whole grain bread provides slow digesting carbs, avocado gives healthy fats, and the egg boosts protein. Together, they keep your glucose level steady. Number 5. Chicken or tuna salad wrap. Try a low-carb wrap filled with chicken or tuna salad. Add lettuce, cucumbers, and a light yogurt dressing. It's fresh, filling, and great for on-the-go mornings. Number 6. Low-carb smoothie. Blend spinach, unsweetened almond milk, half a banana, chia seeds, and a scoop of protein powder. This smoothie is creamy, low in sugar, and perfect if you want something light but energizing. Number 7. Almond-flour pancakes. Yes, you can still enjoy pancakes. Use almond flour, an egg, and a little baking powder to make a fluffy, low-carb version. Top with berries instead of syrup.
These 7 healthy diabetic breakfast ideas will help you stay full, satisfied, and in control of your blood sugar without sacrificing taste. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy eating tips.